Good morning, Hurricanes.
We hope you had a restful Labor Day weekend. My name is Janina Varion, one of your Leeward District Student Council reps.
And my name is Rachel Mercado, your other Leeward District Student Council representative. Today's date is September 3rd, 2024 in A-Day, periods 1 through 4.
Student ID and meal deposits. School IDs are available in the front office. First ID issued is free of charge. Replacements are $5.
Meal deposits can be made in the front office, cash only, and online payments are available on easyschoolpay.com. IDs are required for meals.
Student parking. Hey Hurricane drivers, make sure you head over to the front office to pick up your parking pass by this Friday, September 6th. See flyer for more details, and don't forget to drive safe.
Athletic pass. Speaking of passes, support our athletic team by purchasing a student athletic pass for $25. You can watch home and away games for sports like football, volleyball, basketball, soccer, wrestling, and judo. Scan this QR code to get your ticket today.
Boys soccer. If you're interested in trying out for junior varsity or varsity boys soccer for the 24/25 season, we will be having a meeting on Friday, September 6th at 4 p.m. on the benches outside of the stadium. The meeting will go over what paperwork is required to participate, when conditioning will start, tryout dates, and season practice times. If you have any questions or cannot make it, please email copleyhighboyssoccer@gmail.com.
Forms. You must schedule an appointment with your doctor for a yearly physical. You can find the physical forms needed and sports permission slip on the Copley High School website.
You will need to turn in both forms to the trainers before coming to your first day of conditioning.
Homecoming. Excited for homecoming? Do you want to help your class win? Volunteer for banner making and card decorations. Check out your class's Instagram or speak to a student government officer for more information.
DECA. Now let's turn it over to DECA.
Good morning, Hurricanes, and welcome to your weekly dose of DECA. My name is Camilla, and I'm the VP of Finance. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about marketing. Marketing is the process of promoting or selling your product or service to. To do well in marketing, you need to understand your target market. Your target market is a group of people you are promoting or selling your product or service to. You want to be around your target market by promoting the service or product through things that they may use. For example, if you know that your target market uses social media a lot, then you would promote your product or service through social media. You can also convince your target market to buy your product or use your service based off its price. If you know the price of your product or service is more affordable, then you would target a group of people who would buy your product because it is cheap. The words you use can also convince your target market to buy your product or use your service. You would use words familiar to your target market. You could also use good catchphrases to catch their attention. That's all for your weekly dose of DECA. Have an amazing week, Hurricanes.
Thanks, DECA.
Hip hop. Come join the Hip Hop Dance Club. They'll be practicing in the CAF every Monday and Wednesday from 3 sharp until 4:30 p.m. No experience necessary.
Fellowship for Christian students. Are you looking for some positivity in your life? Well, the Fellowship for Christian students may have the solution for you. On Mondays, go to G101 during lunch to bring positivity to each other in a kind and caring environment.
That's all for your Hurricane Watch news.
My name's Janine.
And my name's Rachel.
And don't forget to like and subscribe down below.
We'll see you real soon.